Does baking soda help with acne? Maybe. So, baking soda contains anti inflammatory and antiseptic properties, so it can help reduce inflammation as well as decrease some of that acne causing bacteria that lives on our skin. It's also very alkaline, so it can help rebalance your skin's pH if it's very acidic. I don't really recommend it as a first line treatment. I much prefer conventional treatments like salicylic acid, anti-hormonal treatments, benzoyl peroxide. However, if you do want to give this acne fighting treatment a try, what I would suggest is this. Only use it on skin that is acne prone or oily, because baking soda can be very dry and irritating. It can cause an eczema. It can compromise the skin barrier. Also, make it as a paste. So take about half a teaspoon of baking soda, mix it in with enough water to make a paste, and don't use it as a mask. Apply it just as a spot treatment. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and wash it off. I'd be curious to know if you find this trick really works for you. But again, I tend to rest with some of the more medical treatments and some of the more evidence-based stuff.
Yeah, I do this about 4 or 5 times a week, and I've only been doing it for about 3 weeks now. And when I tell y'all, it worked after the first time of using it. The only thing I was thinking is, y'all know that TikTok, ain't nobody told me nothing. I'm like, y'all gatekeeping, because how I didn't know about this. Okay, this is before I used to use baking soda. As you can see, there's a lot of texture. I had hyperpigmentation and a lot of texture and some dark mark. This is now a no filter. I've been using it for a few months now, and I must say it's really changed my skin so much. Smoother, much more radiant, and so much easier to apply makeup. It's so glowy.
Let me tell y'all one thing that's slept on when it comes to like skincare routines. And y'all should try this and let me know like the results. Wash your face with like a regular gentle cleanser, whatever cleanser you normally use. And then like get some baking soda and then put a little bit of, mix it with a little bit of water, like creating like a paste, like a sort of like a paste. And exfoliate your face with it. Like scrub it all over your face in circles. Don't do it super hard, but like scrub it all over your face. Rinse that off and moisturize your face. Do that for like a week, especially if your skin is like acting up, or like you see I'm getting little, pimples or whatever. I always do this when like I get breakouts, and it always works. So yeah, go try that and then let me know, especially like if you haven't been on your skincare routine lately, like you've been falling off. Do that. Like do the baking soda paste. Thank me later.
I'm trying baking soda for a week now, and yes, what happened. Before I tell you guys what happened, let's go ahead and try the hack again. All right, I'm here. I have my baking soda, my cleanser, and my moisturizer that I'm gonna be using, and my toner. Today, I'm just gonna do this other method. Put a baking soda in my pan, and I'm gonna add some water. That water. Add water to the baking soda, and I'm just gonna apply. Yeah, I just applied the baking soda. I'm gonna keep it for 3 minutes, not up to 10 minutes, because I have a sensitive skin. And I'm gonna wash my face, and I'll be right back with you. Alright. This is the look. I just washed my face, and now yeah, after you wash your face, this is my thoughts after using baking soda for a week. You see that? I'm gonna apply my toner, which is the Pharmacy Brighten Up Toner. I don't know how good it is. we go in with the Cetaphil Acne Moisturizer. And followed by my Aquaphor. This is my lip moisturizer, my lip balm. Alright. And now I'm here, I'm back. This is the final look. I've been using this baking soda for a week now, and this is my thought about it. If you have a sensitive skin, you have to be cautious. Use it maybe twice a week. And yes, from the videos you watch, you see a lot of reactions there. People are reacting how good this is. My own opinion is that this works for me after I just do it immediately, and after that I really don't see any change on my face. Like maybe the dark spot has not gone, the acne, it's not fading, it's not going out too, the dark spot is not fading. But after I wash my face is very soft, feels so soft, and it looks fresh. But after a while, some minutes or hours, my face goes back to normal. And after applying this, I couldn't keep it for 10 minutes. You have to be cautious. It depends on how it's going to react on you. It was actually not, I wasn't too good with the feeling, so I couldn't keep it for up to 10 minutes because my whole face was tingling for those number of days. And I don't know if that's the reason why I didn't get all the results that they're saying about. And that's my own opinion. If you think if it can work well for you, it depends on your skin. It didn't work for me, and if you want to go ahead, you can give it a try. And yeah, I just wanted to share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join by clicking the join button to be a member of this family. And also leave your comments. Let's interact and know what we all think about this, what you think about this. That's my reality, and yeah, I just have to tell you